up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to those who are new. Say hi Milo. Hello. So the car's actually been sitting on jack stands for 2 weeks and I'm itching to get it back on the road, so I will show you what has to happen. So when I was putting the new wheels on, I was obviously under the back of the car adjusting the camber and tow arms, and you can see in there's grease that's kind of being shot around everywhere. Made a massive mess under the car. And so basically what happens as the cars get older, the boots of the axles start to die, and that ends up shooting grease everywhere, making a mess. And of course the grease is coming out of the axles, so you need to get that changed ASAP or your axles will die. So here's the axles freshened up. So these are new boots. What can happen is these boots, they can split and obviously shoot grease everywhere, but mine weren't actually split, but something to do with down here was just letting the grease out. And the shop said there was pretty much no grease in it at all, but the CV joints and everything are okay. So lucky I got onto it quick as soon as I saw it, and yeah, I should be able to chuck these in and hopefully they'll last a long time. So I might as well get to it. I'm going to try and get all of that grease cleaned up while everything's pulled apart, and throw these freshened axles in. For those wondering, the two different lengths, the longer one is for the driver's side. For those who are interested, I'll give you a quick look under the car. So of course, diff, we've got the shorter axle on this side and the longer one on that side. This one took me like 30-40 minutes to put in because the exhaust and everything just makes it a lot tighter on this side, even though it's the shorter axle. And you can see on the right side, the bolts are just there, easy to access, no exhaust or anything blocking it. So that seriously only took me like 15 minutes. Taking them out for the first time, I struggled a lot with separating these parts. I actually was yanking on this so hard just because it was so stuck that this section pulled out of the diff. So just be careful with that. If yours is stuck, you need to wedge a screwdriver or something in there and spend like 5-10 minutes hammering the screwdriver in to wedge that out, because you don't want to damage anything else trying to put too much force on everything. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing's gonna start after 2 weeks. Sounds like it might. This thing probably does deserve a clean after 2 weeks, but I can't wait to give it a drive. So I think I'll grab the GoPro, might try a new angle with it, so let me know what you guys think. But yeah, let's give it a little test and make sure it's all good. It's not really scraping much. It's because I actually raised the car a little bit since the last video, so I don't think I mentioned that on YouTube yet. So I'm actually going on the same road that we did last time with that scraping video. Well, so it still scrapes a little bit, but you'll see it's so much better. Alright guys, I'm sorry my piece of crap old GoPro went flat, so I didn't get much footage at all. But car is really good. I forget how much fun this thing is to drive, so super happy it's back on the road. I do have some things on the way for this car. I won't tell you specifically, but a bit of a change to the look of the car and the interior. I'm planning to do a big overhaul because I haven't really touched anything in there yet. But then honestly, not much I'm gonna change with this thing anymore. I know I've probably said that a lot of times, but I'm honestly really happy with pretty much everything on this car so far. And I think it doesn't need any more changes once I do these next few things to it. So hopefully I can stop spending money on it and yeah, I don't know, start saving or spend money on something else. Engine bay still looking as nice as ever. So yeah, that's it guys, gonna leave the video there. As always, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, gives me the motivation to make some more videos, hopefully make something out of this channel. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.